Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. We are going to do a really quick video of what I'm making for dinner tonight because it's such an easy recipe and I want to share it with all of you guys. So something different from having regular spaghetti. I have my canned tomato sauce, some rigatoni, and some ricotta cheese. So I'm cooking up the pasta right now. I'm going to put it into the pot. The pot is boiling with water and some oil in it, olive oil. When those are done, I'm heating the sauce, so I'm going to heat the sauce, cook the macaroni, and put it all together for an amazing meal that you won't believe. And it's so different than just having basic spaghetti, and it's another way to use your canned sauce in your pantry. Okay, so our water is boiling. I'm just gonna put all of those rigatoni in there. Whatever's left over, we're gonna have for lunch. And we have our sauce right here. I'm just heating through. Can of sauce, and then I made some garlic cheese bread that's going to go with this. Simplest thing, just make sauce as you normally would, cook your rigatoni as you normally would, and I'm going to show you an amazing meal. So over here we are going to take about 2 tablespoons for ricotta cheese. Now I am doing this just for me because my husband doesn't want this. He just wants regular sauce. Normally I would take a jar of sauce and about half of the container, let's see, it's an 8 ounce or a 15 ounce, about 8 ounces is what you want to use. And you just mix it in with the sauce. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it into a bowl like this because I want a lot on mine. Maybe just a little teeny bit more. Okay, and then I'm gonna go get some sauce and I'm gonna melt the ricotta cheese. Okay, so I got some sauce and I'm just going to melt the cheese into this sauce so that it's nice and creamy. So if you do this for your whole family, you want to use some more sauce, of course. Like I said, I use a whole jar and then about 8 ounces of the ricotta cheese. So we actually need some more sauce because I did way too much. You don't want it too thick, you want it a little bit runny. Let me put some more sauce in there. Okay, so I went and got a little bit more. And I just want to melt it in there. This is how I like it. It usually turns it a little bit pink. This is going to be perfect. It sticks to the noodles. It's a nice, warm comfort food, an Italian comfort food. Just like that. And then that's your sauce. Okay, so here is my sauce. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on the bottom of the bowl. And I do this with my regular sauce as well. So I'm going to do that with some of my sauce for my husband. So we have both of our bowls here all set. And it doesn't matter if they're sitting here. I mean, this one's still steaming. This one is not. It doesn't matter because the pasta is going to be steaming hot and we're going to put more sauce over it. Okay, we have our pasta. I have drained it and put some oil in it. And I'm going to do my husband's first, since I don't even have my bowl out for mine. So we are just going to take some of the pasta, put it right in there. Need a bigger spoon, definitely. Let me get that. Okay, big Bertha spoon. There we go. That's the way to do it. Now, normally I would serve this with some Italian sausage on the side, but I didn't defrost any, and it's almost 9 o'clock. Probably after 9 o'clock right now. By now. Okay, so for this one, I'm just gonna put regular sauce on it. Okay, and for this one, we have our sauce, and we're gonna put the hot pasta in here. So, easy, 2 different meals. Very, very simple to make. Okay, now for the sauce. Okay, so we got our pasta sauce, our canned, home canned spaghetti sauce right there. Then marinara sauce, then we have this. I'm just gonna put on top of here. And this one is the ricotta cheese mixed with the tomato sauce. And once that is all in there and mixed, it is so good, you guys. I grew up with this. It's a budget meal. It's a cheap meal, and it is so good. You can add more ricotta cheese. You can add Parmesan, mozzarella. Okay, so let's get the bread. Okay, here is our garlic mozzarella Parmesan bread. Awesome, awesome. And there you have it, you guys. Both pasta dishes looking amazing, and we are gonna get ready to eat. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like this video. There is a lot more videos coming in February. I am nursing a injured back right now, but gonna get back into my videos, hopefully on a more regular schedule in February on both of my channels, this channel and More Fun Than Sitting at Home. That's our travel channel. And for my birthday, which is coming up in just a week, we're going to be doing something really special and taking you guys along probably on both channels. So thank you for watching. The word of the day is rigatoni. Please comment the word of the day into the comment section below to be entered to win one of my giveaways. I am kind of hoping to get at least another 100 subscribers by my birthday in a week. So please share my video, and let's see if YouTube's algorithm gets this video out there to help. You guys know I haven't been working, I haven't been doing anything, and my husband has been off work. He's back at work now, thank goodness. But if you would go back and make sure you watch some videos, some of my older videos, it would really help me right now, and the most recent videos, of course. And let me know what you guys want to see. Comment below or email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and let me know what you want to see coming up. I have a garden video coming up, some baking, some cooking, and some canning. And freeze-dried February. We're doing freeze-dried February, you guys. And then for March, we're doing what I will and will not can. Again, kind of changing the wording on that, and the dehydrating, what I will and will not dehydrate, what I don't like, what I do like. So 2 collabs coming up that I'm hosting, and I hope to see you guys soon. So make sure that you comment the word of the day, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.